Hello Junior 2, welcome to your lovely math session. Today we gonna complete chapter 5, the fractions. And today we have lesson 2. Let's see what we have in this lesson. Today we gonna take half, third and fourth. Are you ready? Let's start. Junior 2, when we divide something into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole thing. Here I have this whole. This is called whole because it's not divided. But what about if I divided this whole? If I divided this whole to two equal parts, it should be equal parts. Not any parts. It should be equal, have the same size. So if I have this whole and I divide it to two equal parts, it's called half. Okay. It is two equal parts, then I divided this one whole to two half because each part is half. So 1/2 and 1/2, it's called 2 halves. So if I have this apple, that is whole without any cut, without any divided. And I divided this apple to two equal parts. That means I have 2 halves because each part is 1/2. So 1/2 and 1/2, that means it's 2 halves. So here I want to write this fraction in digits. So I write down the total parts. Here I have how many parts? 1 and 2. So I'm gonna write 2 down. And if I take only 1, I write 1 up. So the number up, we called it numerator. So this one up, we called it numerator. Say it with me. Numerator. Again, numerator. And this dash, we called it fraction bar. And the number down here too, we called it denominator. Say it with me. Denominator. So down means denominator. So 2 is the total number of equal parts. Here I have 2 equal parts when I divided the whole. And the number of total, I write it down. So this 2 means I have 2 parts, and each part is a half. So this part half and this part half, and it's 1/2. This part only 1/2. Okay, here I have the third. So this is the whole, and if I divided this whole to 3 equal parts like this, we called it 3/3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3/3. And here also I divided the whole to 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 equal parts. And here I divided also to 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. But each part of these parts is third. So this color is third, and this one only third, and this is third. So each part is a third. So here I take only one color port. So how many ports here colored? I take it only one. So I'm gonna write the number up. So the number of ports colored up. It's only one. And how many in total? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna write the number of total down. So down I'm gonna write 3. So it's 1 over 3 mean third. The number up in numerator, the number down in denominator. So 3 down, that means the total parts are 3. Here the fourth. So if I have this whole and I'm gonna divide it to 4 equal parts like this one. It's a 4. That's 4 equal parts. So if I have one pizza like this one and I divided this pizza to 4 equal parts like this, so each part of this pizza, it's 1 over 4 because I take now 1. 1 from what? From how many in total? How many in total parts? 4. So it's 1 over 4. And here I have only one part colored. So I'm gonna write this one up. And how many parts in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. When I count the number of total parts, I count the parts colored and not colored. So the colored here 1 and not colored 3. So it will be 4. So 1 over 4. 1 in numerator and 4 here in denominator. So the number down 4 mean what? Mean I have 4 equal parts in total. That's mean I have 4 equal parts in total. Now he wants to color 1 over 2 of each shape. So here I have this shape, it's a 2. He wants me to color only 1. So I'm gonna color only 1. Here I have 2 parts and he wants only to color 1 over 2. That means 1 part only. I'm gonna color 1 only. And here I have 2 parts. He wants me to color 1 over 2. 1 part only. Like this. Here I want to color 1 over 3 of each shape. Here it's divided for 3 parts. He wants only 1 over 3. That means only 1 part. And here it's 3 equal parts. He wants 1 over 3. That means only 1 part color. Choose any part. Here I have also 3 equal parts. He wants 1 over 3, 1 part only. Now we're gonna color 1 over 4 of each shape. That means only 1 part. Okay, in the first one here, it's divided to 4 equal parts. So he write here down 4. You want to color only 1, choose 1. And here also 1 over 4, choose 1 part only. And here 1 over 4, that means 1 part. And here 4 parts, I'm gonna choose 1 part only to represent 1 over 4. Here, Junior 2, we're gonna write the fraction of the shaded parts. Okay, in the first one here, Junior 2, I have how many in total? In total, that means you're gonna count the colored parts and not colored. So how many here in total? 2. So you're gonna write this 2 down. And how many colored parts? 1. That means 1 over 2. And here I have How many ports? 1, 2, 3. That's mean you're gonna write 3 down. And how many colored? Only 1. So I'm gonna write this one up. It will be 1 over 3. Here I have only 2, so I'm gonna write the total down 2. And how many colored? 1. So this one up. It will be 1 over 2. Here I have how many in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna write this 4 down. And how many colored? Only 1. So I'm gonna write this one up. So it will be 1 over 4. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna write 4, the number of total ports down. And how many ports colored? 1. So I'm gonna write up 1 to be 1 over 4. Here, Junior 2, I have how many in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's mean 4 down. The total number, I write it down. It will be 4 down. And how many up? How many colored ports? 1, 2, 3. It will be 3 over 4. Now we're gonna color one of the ports, then color the matching fraction. Let's color one port only. That's mean I have 1 from 2 ports, 1 over 2. And here it's 1 port only from 4, it's 1 over 4. And here let's color only one port. That's mean I have 1 of how many in total? 1, 2, 3. That's mean 1 over 3. Here we're gonna write the fraction in words that represent the shaded parts. Now we're gonna write it in words. So here he shades half. Excellent. So we're gonna write half. And here he shades 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 over 4, it's a quarter. It's fourth. And here it's 1 from 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 over 4, it's fourth. And here I have 1 from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also fourth. And here it's 1 from 2, 1 over 2, that's mean half. And here it's 1, 2, 3. 1 from 3, 1 over 3 is third. And here it's 1 shaded from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over 4, it's fourth. And here 1 from 1, 2, 3. 1 over 3, it's third. And here 1 from 1, 2, 3. 1 over 3, it's also third.